Hey guys, so today I'm doing a haul video. I'm quite up close to you, but it looks wide, but never mind. And I might be sweating a lot because I've shut all the windows and it's probably like 23 degrees outside, so bear with. But my last video was what I'm buying after lockdown, but seems to have turned into what I'm buying during lockdown. To be fair, on my defence, I had 20% off, so I bought 5 things for £38.80 on Asos, which isn't too bad, and some of them were presents. So if you're my friend in real life and you're watching this and your birthday is coming up-ish, click off now. So they were having 20% off, like if you used the app the other day, and like yesterday they had 20% off, but if you've got a blue light card at the moment you can get 20% off as well, which I forgot about, but whatever. So only one thing in this order was above £10 for the original price before the 20% discount, but a lot of everything else I bought was actually in the sale as well. So anyway, I'm going to get in this big old bag. I'm going to try and open it very carefully because if I have to return it, I did buy things for the bottom half, like trousers, which I am always wary of now because I have gone up a size or so. So I did try and go up a size, but we'll see what happens. And hopefully everything is okay. Right, I wondered what the hell this was, but I know. First thing is this. What have they described it as? Worker jacket in navy. It's from the brand Celio. I don't know, it's like French I think. And according to this, originally it was €50, but I got it for £14 plus the 20% off. So yeah, it just looks like this. It's a corduroy navy jacket, like a shacket basically. It's like a thick shirt, which my friend was actually looking for one like a shacket thing, so I bought this for him for his birthday, and it's got buttons on and a pocket, and I am actually going to try it on because we're similar sizes ish, so I'm going to try it on in the cutaways and hopefully it fits me, and if it fits me, hopefully it will fit him. Next thing, now these were in and out of my cart because they did 20% off the other week, just like not on the app, and I was umming and ahhing about these anyway because in the sale they were £8, so that's a good price for these trousers as it is. But let me get them out of the bag. I'm not sure about the colour, they're a bit, we're in the background with it, a bit bold, as in they're like, what do they call it? Dusty berries. They're like a raspberry colour, and these were £8 plus 20% off. So that's quite a good price for just trousers, and the way they styled them and stuff on the website I really liked. And I thought they were a fun colour, but I don't know how brave I'm going to be wearing them. And I actually really liked, oh there's like, oh no, there's like, you can make it tighter. But I suppose you could make it looser. There's like two, no you couldn't because that shows. So you have to like double, oh that's tricky, double do it like that, and I quite liked the extra long thing. But we'll see because they're not stretchy at all. So we'll see if they fit me, but if you follow my Instagram, I started Couch to 5k, so we'll see how that goes. So another pair of trousers, what were these? Oh yeah, these were, hope these fit because I wanted a few. If I am a bigger size, and currently I'm not going to work, but I'm like really wary of what I wear if I actually go into work now, because I'm like, what the hell do I wear? So I bought these trousers, which I've had similar ones to these before. Why do we need all this tissue paper and stuff? I don't know. They're quite heavy, but they're just, what colour do they call them? Slate blue, which is kind of the right colour, and they're not stretchy up the top, but they're stretchy in the leg because they are their super skinny smart trousers. Now they used to do an extreme skinny, but they don't do that anymore I don't think, or maybe they do, I don't know, but I got these in a size, I used to be a 30 waist, I've got these in a 32, so hopefully they'll be fit. I got them for they were £9 in the sale, plus 20% on top of that. So what's that? Money. So yeah. Hopefully fit okay. So from coming to trying the actual clothes on, I can't show you the trousers because they don't fit. So I'm either going to send them back or wait till I lose some weight or give them to my charity shop. 3 options, that's 3 options there. Next thing is this bomber jacket, which was really reasonably priced. It's from Bershka. Now I did have it in my basket in the small, but it sold out in the small, so I got it in the extra small, which hopefully will be okay. If not, I might have to send it back or just donate it to charity when we can. I'm not sure. I'm going to try it on, but it was £8 in the sale plus 20% off, so it makes it £6 something. And it's just this navy lightweight bomber jacket with a silver zip, which the zip is so smooth. It's got an inside pocket and everything. This is actually another purchase I made for my friend's birthday that he can have, and it's just, yeah, that's quite nice. And it does look quite, I don't know if I'd be able to wear it zipped up, but we'll see. And then the last thing I bought is some shorts, but they're like denim shorts, because it's that time of year and it is hot today. And I bought these are again from Bershka. How much were these? So in the sale they were £9.50, so plus an extra, they're quite soft, extra 20% on top of that. And I got them in a 31 size, and they've got a tiny bit of stretch. They actually look longer on the thing, but I'm not mad at it. It has got a bit of distressing on, which I'm okay with, and they're in a slim fit. I'm not sure about this gold button. That is a very like shiny gold, and it's got buttons all the way down. Okay, and they changed to copper. That's a bit weird. That's gold and then that's copper, but whatever. And is that everything? Yeah, that's 5 things, isn't it? And it's got a little fake leather bit on the back. Hopefully nothing else in the bag, so hope they fit and stuff, and I will have of course done some cutaway shots, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, hope you guys are all well and enjoying the easing down of lockdown measures to some degree. I know shops are opening soon and people are slowly going back to going to work, rather than working from home if you're not a key worker and stuff like that. So hope you guys are well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already, please subscribe and follow me on Instagrams. Below there's 2, and I will see you shortly in my next video. Bye.